There's not one profile of an honor student. Certainly we have students who start the program who have always been honor students or thought of themselves as honor students, been in honors programs in high school, but that is not a requirement of participating in OCU Honors. It is a 4-year undergraduate, interdisciplinary program for highly motivated students, and it certainly seeks as a program to advance the university's mission to create a culture of excellence.
My name is Elizabeth Courtney. I am a junior biomedical science major, and I am from Tulsa, Oklahoma. My main reason for choosing honors was for myself. I love to be challenged, and I was really looking forward to taking some classes that I might not otherwise get to take and interacting with peers of different disciplines.
I'm Lisi Levy. I'm an acting major and directing minor, and I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. I think my favorite part about being an honors student while also an acting major, while also in the theater school, is that I have classes that are very different from what basically anyone else on this campus does. I mean, we have a very heavy population of performance majors on campus, but still, when I talk to a real student, I'm like, wow, what's that like? But I get a little taste of it in the honors classes, and it's just such a nice shift because the format of the class is different. It's a complete break, and I love acting and I love my classes, but I love to read and I love to write and I like to have discussions about philosophy, like things like that I don't necessarily get in an acting class.
We do have a large number of performing arts majors in our program, and that has in many ways influenced the way the program has evolved over the years. So we have honors specific courses in the dance school and in the music school and in the theater school, along with special honors courses in biology and in economics and other areas. The program is more than just a curriculum. It is a co-curricular community, and that's an important part. Orientation for freshmen is how every year kicks off. First year cohort in honors moves in a day early, and we have basically a 2-day honors on-campus retreat that introduces students to the community, introduces them to the program, and introduces them to each other.
What I would say to a prospective theater student who is looking at OCU is apply for the honors program. You're going to reap so many more benefits than you thought you would by applying, and it will honestly just take your career from something that you were excited and expected it to be to so much more well-rounded and challenging you every day just a little bit more.
Honors will give you a fantastic community of people that really want to learn and have active discussion, and it's worth every minute.